With over 80 specially developed baskets, the practice-optimized washing chamber of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution can be matched to the individual needs of an ENT clinic. Massive instruments such as tongue depressors, ear hooks and tweezers can be placed standing in the instrument basket. The additional top frame can be used to accommodate a large number of ear specula. The attachment is placed on an appropriate flex basket. The space in the flex basket can be used for the decontamination of hinged instruments. Before decontamination, make sure that the hinges of the scissors and biopsy forceps are slightly open. We recommend using a special flex attachment to deal with the self-closing mechanism of the nasal specula. Stacking the flex baskets on 2 levels enables efficient use of the practice-optimized washing chamber of the MELAtherm 10 Evolution. The injector rail ensures the reproducible decontamination of hollow body instruments. Suction tubes are connected via a silicone hose. A triple distributor is available in order to connect a greater number of suction tubes.